But you can't figure this out, huh? Tika's in the bag with the nativity stuff. What's Tika doing in the bag with the nativity stuff, huh? Gonna get her? Go ahead, go get her. What are you doing in there, Tika? Huh? So the little paw does come out. What do you think? What do you think, Bella? Did you get Tika? I can't even make her out there. Gonna get Cheeky, huh? Get your Tika. Go ahead, get your sister. Now look what you've done. You got your head stuck. And we've got it on video.